Hola amigos, we are here from the park again. Aquí estamos desde el parque y vamos a compartirles una jornada más de nosotros por acá, por el parque con Keila.
Yeah.
Hi. Yes. Y vamos ahora a ir al playground. También en el camino nos encontramos un juego de pelota. Así que bueno, estuvimos observando un poco por acá y le vamos a compartir un pedacito del juego. Así que vamos a continuar. Keila ya está un poquito cansada, pero ella quiere seguir.
No, I'm not tired.
No, she's not tired, so we are getting...
What
now...
question I have is, why would I be tired?
No, not tired. We have to
Exactly.
go. We have a lot of energy, so we are going to the playground.
Yeah.
Okay? And then we come back again to this area, okay? On the way, she found flowers, fruits. Show
Found
the
this
fruits.
berry.
Oh,
I'm not really sure what
wow.
it is, but it's squishy and it looks
It looks
really
like a
cool.
little tomato.
I'm not sure if you can see it on camera.
Yeah, this is more
It
fruits.
does though, like
But it's really nice. It's
squishy. What if I just put it in my mouth?
Oh.
I should probably wash it first. Shouldn't I?
Yeah. We have to wash it first and then we can try, okay?
Do you have signal? Can we like look it up maybe?
Oh, we can look it up now when we get to the playground, okay?
Alright.
Hoy acá está haciendo muchísimo calor. La verdad que no chequeé cuánto, pero es bastante calor. Pero Keila y yo salimos a caminar porque hoy no estoy trabajando y ella estaba desesperada por salir de la casa. Entonces salimos a caminar y bueno, pues aquí les compartimos un video más. What do you get there?
I do not know. It's
Oh my God, Keila, beautiful flowers for Grandma. Thank you, Keila. Okay, let's go.
Alright, I'm coming.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You sniff that. Yeah.
Wow, this is so beautiful, Keila. Beautiful flowers. I love the color. Do you like it? Beautiful. Wow. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Keila.
Hi.
How are you enjoying this journey?
It's okay.
It's only okay?
It's not bad. It's like it's good. Like okay, I guess. Like I'm
Okay.
not sure how to word it. Sorry.
Okay. You're practicing, I see.
This isn't a bad like
Hmm?
This isn't a bad scene. Do you think we should go to the playground later?
Yeah, we can go.
I don't think I've ever been to this playground.
Run, run, run. Come on, run.
Nice. Treasure.
Oh.
Face planted into a spider. But other than that, what's the worst?
You want to go inside? Woo!
Look at this.
Hmm?
Look at this.
Beautiful, eh?
Uh-huh. Go. Let me just go over there to that branch.
We can go in this way. But be careful on the ground because it's not even. Sometimes it's very
Unstable.
dangerous and there is some holes.
This looks nice. Beautiful. It's okay if I can take a photo of it on your phone and send it
Yeah.
to me? Hold my water bottle, please. Thank you. Woo! We made it!
We're free! Kayla, let's go, mommy.
Got it!
Let's go. Hi, we made it. Hey!
My flowers. Oh,
Oh, it's gone? No,
it's
still there.
thank
Okay.
you. That's so cool.
Let's go to the playground. Go to the swing, Kayla. Go in the swing, mommy. Okay, go faster.
Okay. My shoes are gonna have to be washed after this.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Go faster, Kayla.
I'm trying.
Ah. Come on, you can do it. Faster.
I'm trying.
Yeah, this is the way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go! Faster.
I'm trying.
Wow, Kayla. Good job.
Yep.
Woo. Woo.
Imagine I just fall in.
Kayla, go. Wow, now you're on the top.
Oh, they have a stripper pole. They have a stripper pole. You don't put me this place out. I'm sorry.
Woo. Go, go, go. Woo. Wow, you did it.
Yeah.
One more time.
No. not know how much I'm going to regret this later, but I don't really care that I'm gonna regret it. Look at me.
Look at you. And now what? How you gonna you get out from there?
I can climb up here maybe. I don't know. Can I have my phone? Can you take a picture of me in here and send it?
Yes. Wait.
Thanks. Oh my god! Oh, I think I just hit my head. I kind of regret. Oh,
Yeah, you can get out. That's fine. Get in there.
Oh yeah, I can do it. I can do it, Mom. Are you proud of me? Oh shit.
I am proud of
Can't
you.
grab- Oh, I can sit here.
I am proud of you. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. Woo. Okay, do like this. Woo-hoo. Yes. Hi, mommy. Go, go, go. Woo! Hi, Kayla. How are you, mommy? It's nice. Being here in contact with the nature.
This. I'm not sure if I want that to be on YouTube.
Y bueno, amigos, desde aquí terminamos este video y terminamos un poco cansados ya que Keilita está cansada, ¿verdad, Keila? Entonces estamos ya regresando, así que desde aquí les enviamos un inmenso saludo y nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao. Chao.
Adiós.
Adiós.